let's talk about Camtasia. So Camtasia is at its core video editing software, and there are plenty of video editing software options out there. And to be honest, they all broadly have the same feature set. But the thing that is the superpower of Camtasia specifically is actually capturing your screen. So if you're making tutorial videos, if you're, sort of demonstrating something, it can record you and your screen. But not only does it capture the screen, it also captures the metadata. So there's all kinds of cool stuff that we can do in terms of, actually capturing the motion of your mouse cursor and treating that separately. You can actually change how your cursor appears within those recordings. So if you were a little bit all over the place, you can actually come in and smooth that out a little bit. You can make it larger, so you can increase the size of the cursor in Camtasia. You can also hide the cursor completely. So if you don't actually want it to be included, there are options to get rid of that as well. So that is really, really cool.